Hi, welcome to CodingZen, where young minds get to code, create, and turn their ideas into reality. Where each project starts with a line of code and we build each and every project together one by one. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
Hello.
Hi, Valentina. How are you? Have you done your homework? Let's begin with the class.
Okay, so there was something wrong. I don't like. I think there was something like going with scratch or something, or I don't know, because like it was going like in the wrong position, and then after when I tried to change the position, like it wasn't changing. Like even when I looked like where the screen is, that position, I was moving it, and the position didn't change. So like when the flag was clicked, like I couldn't see it. Like every time I had to like move it up and everything, and it was kind of hard, and so I couldn't really do it. Like I'll
You
show
sh-
you. I'll show you.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's work. I think it's maybe working now, but I don't know if it was like it wasn't working before. Like maybe it's working now, but before it wasn't. So you see here, the star is there, and like here you see it says this position. Look, take the star, move it somewhere else. Look, the position is not changing even though I put it to somewhere else. And look, I click on the flag and it goes back there. I even refreshed the page and it wasn't working.
Why did you actually put it down there?
I didn't put it down there. Like it was here. Like I checked it I checked it and like I clicked on the flag and it was down. And then when I tried to change the position, like okay, so look at this position and also try to look at the star. So I'm going to put the star right here. First, you see that the star is here, but I'm going to put it there. Usually, it's supposed to change the position, right? Well,
Yeah.
look,
It's not
the,
changing because it's not the main sprite. These are the clones. These numbers tells the position of the main sprite. That's why. Like show the main sprite. Yes. And now
yeah,
change its position.
the main sprite was here. So, like,
Don't change it. It's fine. Sorry. Like don't change it. The number was fine. It's just that I don't think that you are like making the y position back to 0. Not 0. Huh, 0. No. Show the variable y position.
here.
Show it. Like what's the value inside it? See, it's minus 4200. It's not, you're not setting it back to 0 when the flag is clicked. That's the problem.
So I should say when the flag clicked, set Y position for clone to 0.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, okay. Y position for 0.
Why put another flag block when you already have one over there,
Uh,
right? Put it back, like put it in the same, yeah. We don't need a new flag block. Yes. See, and now it's working.
oh, okay.
Good, right? Is this all complete? No, you have to do that, right? Like click on the diamond.
Yeah, the diamond doesn't have a code.
Yeah, so I think that's what you
Yeah.
need to do now, right? That was your homework that were you not able to figure out because of that mistake. It's all right, you can do it right now.
Okay. So it was only like 2 blocks, I remember, that you put.
I don't remember how many blocks were that.
Wait, check.
I should check. Okay, let me
Yeah,
check.
like just to see. It was like something like when I received generate lives and then like another block here that I can't remember.
Like the balloon just has one code, and then rest you have to do back in stars only. There's a star that's supposed to show and
So
hide.
yeah, like what is the code for the
That when you click on it, you need to broadcast a message so that you can receive it in the star and do the right steps.
Okay, so basically when the sprite clicked, then broadcast. What did you broadcast?
That it needs to reduce lives.
Reduce.
Yes.
Okay, reduce lives, and then this, when I receive reduce lives, then right, like we say, when I receive reduce lives in the star, right?
Yeah. Not, yeah, you're gonna receive it here, yeah.
Then I need to think, what is the code that we do this. Okay, so I want this to disappear. Something minus. Change lives by -1.
Yes, you need to do that. That's true. It's correct.
And then I remember it was something like then regenerate the lives so that it's so basically when I say regenerate, I mean like you see we have these stars and then you see they when I say -1, remember that we had to do like basically they disappear and then they regenerate, but one is gone. So this one would not be there anymore.
Yeah, that's what you have to do.
Okay. How do we do that? I can't remember the code. Okay. I need to not think of the code. I need to think of how I think.
This thing too, you said it correctly that you need to do two things. First, like remove all the clones from the screen and then show the clones again. Right? So these are 2 things that you need to do.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what blocks to put to do that. Like I know I only have to put like a few blocks, but I'm trying to like remember and think like what blocks I have to put there.
Sure, take your time.
For like 21. When we have to do the regenerating thing, do we do a variable of it or no, right?
Like it's gonna be based upon the lives variable if that's what you're asking.
Okay. But how am I gonna like what I'm trying to do is like put the right blocks together to do the regenerate.
You already have the blocks to generate the code, generate the lives again. You just need to broadcast it.
Oh, so all I need to do is broadcast regenerate lives.
Yeah. Broadcast generate lives.
And then that's all?
You also
No.
had to delete the ones that were already there.
Delete no. No, because then it would delete all the clones. No? Wait, do you put no, you don't put that, do
You
you?
can, I did, but like, you don't want to,
Like I don't know because then like I don't know if it will like yeah, it didn't work. Didn't work.
because at last it's just deleting everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I say delete this clone, most people would think this clone, they think that they only mean one, right? But
Mhm.
in this case, since the clone is all in the same sprite, it would delete all the clones. So that's what I'm asking. Do I do that block? Will it work? Well, I don't think it will work because
Delete this clone is required and you have to do it. It's just that you don't have to do it in here. You have to do it in a separate code. That when you receive reduce lives, delete everything.
okay, that still didn't work because I missed. I'm not done with the code, I think. Don't I have to put one more block here?
No, I don't know.
No.
Give it a try. Does it seem like that something is off?
No, cause I thought that, because, I think I remember something like that there was, 3 blocks, and there was one here. I don't know, I might be wrong.
Check it first. Just check it first. Is it working fine? If not, then yes, then there is something that you need to fix in here.
I mean, I just tried, it wasn't working, but let me try again. Here, like this. Yeah, it's not working.
Yeah, so actually there is. It's not that, but it's not there at the bottom, but at the as the first block of code in there.
It's one of these blocks, no?
It's a wait 1 second block. Try it. Click on the flag again.
I'm pressing this, disappears.
Okay, put that wait 1 second right there. Instead of here, put it right there. Yes.
Not coming back, and
Put this code,
here it is.
this code. Okay, no. Put this code, this one, and
Which
this one over here after the wait.
okay.
Back in here.
Oh, wait, okay. I think it's gonna work now. Well, I was wrong. It didn't work.
Why does it say -1 right there? I don't get it. Click on the
Minus.
flag again.
I said -1 because you want to minus
That,
one of the
that's
stars.
not what that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying Why the variable is -1? It should be 2, right? Because you only minused 1 from there. It should be 2. Click on the flag
Oh,
again. Not over here. Not over here. Yeah, click on the flag. See, how many lives do we have at this moment?
there we have 3.
And if you click on it once, how many should be there?
Oh, 2. Oh, so I have to put 2 because otherwise it's -1, and -1 is all of them gone.
Yeah. Go to sprite 1. I want to see the code that you did there.
Just this.
That code is correct.
Okay, well, what I just did didn't work.
What? This is what you did wrong. Why would you, when you want to generate lives, that is, when you want to put the stars on the screen, why would you delete all the stars from the screen? It's
Because you
supposed to
told me.
be, no,
You
I
told
told
me.
you, no, I told you that when I receive reduced lives, you cannot put delete the clones over here because then you would generate the lives over here and then you would just delete it moments after. So rather put this code again. So when I receive reduce lives, not generate lives, reduce lives, that's when I'm going to delete the clones.
Oh.
Instead of generate lives, you want to say reduce lives.
Oh. So is it correct now or
Yes.
okay.
Yes, this part is correct. Let's see if it works. Yes,
Okay.
2. Good. Click on it again. 1. Click on it again. 0. All
0.
gone. Right?
Uh,
This is now totally done. Now, rename this to a lives code, game lives code, something like that. Right. Save it and go to your project now. Because I remember in your project, the last star was not going away. So check, compare this project and your knives hit project and check what is wrong and try to fix it. Because the last star isn't going away in your knife hit project.
it wasn't going away. Hold on, let me try. It is going away.
Where,
It's only the last one. It's only the last one that's not going away.
yeah, the last one isn't working fine. So check what's wrong in here.
But can lives change? Or this one?
Let me see.
Oh, wait. One of them? I don't know. One of these ones. Not this one, because that one is to do the position of it. Okay, so my specs are this one, and this one. Not this one, and not that one. So, I don't know, one of these ones?
Okay, give me the file in the chat box. Let me check on my screen. Make sure to save it first.
I need to share it, right? Okay, now here, copy, chat. Did you receive it? By the way, by the way, this cross equals is a V.
What do you mean?
In my name, instead
Yeah.
of a V, it says cross. Because like I added a sparkle to my name. I can't like
Ah,
fix it.
right.
Just so you know, my name is a cross. My name is
I know.
I think that
Okay,
it
I know what are you saying?
I think that it's one of these ones. I don't really think it's that one. Might be wrong, might be totally wrong.
It's this. I think you see the main sprite is showing. I think it's the main sprite. See? So we need to say that the main sprite actually needs to hide. So when the flag is clicked or when I receive game begins, then it needs to hide, right? So now if I click on the flag, I click on start. In fact, I actually should do when the flag is clicked, then hide, like this. Click on start, it's all hidden. I mean, the main sprite is hidden. 2, 1, and 0. So that's it. Just put when the flag clicked hide. The main sprite was showing. That's why it was not okay.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Yes, please.
Share. Okay. Hi. Okay. Good. I put it.
You did?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to do the apple, right?
Yeah. Let's start with that. I should share my screen. Let's do it together.
Wait. The apple is not moving. When the flag clicked, start. Oh, wait, it is. Never mind.
It's okay. I'll stop sharing your screen. I'll share my screen. Okay. So first thing is like when you throw a knife and if you throw it again and it accidentally touches the, the other knife which was already there, you're gonna lose a life. You're gonna lose a life, or I think the game is gonna be over. Yeah, the game is gonna be over. Okay, so let's do that in here. Now we haven't made clones in here, so it's gonna be a little tricky code. So let's see. I'm gonna say when I receive game begins. In fact, you are doing it right here. If mouse is down, then repeat until touching the target. And this is where, like at this point, we know that it has touched the target at this point. Okay. So we can either put the code here, here, or here. Okay. I'm going to put it just before this forever. And I'm going to check something. I'm going to check what? I'm going to check that if you are touching any of the other two knives at this moment, once you're already there over here on the wood. So I'm going to put an OR block right there. And I'm going to say if touching the knife 2 or knife 3, so touching knife 2, or if you are touching knife 3, then should we decrease one life or should the game be over? I'm so confused with this game, as in, like, the main thing is that I want to get the apple. And if I get the apple, I get the score. And if I get the score, I can move on to the next one. But I have 3 tries to get the apple. And if it had, okay, I'm going to stop the game. All right. It's going to stop the game right there. Let's check it out. So I click on the flag, I click on start, I throw my first knife, throw my second knife, I throw my third knife. All good, done. But if I throw my first knife and if I throw it as in it's touching it, oh, then the game should be over. Actually, we have to do it for the other two as well. Then only we'll be able to check now. Okay, so I'm gonna get the if block again, put the or block again. Can you tell me what to place in the or block this time?
Okay, so if it's touching the other knife, or if it's touching like if it's touching the log like on the third try.
Yeah, so if it's touching the other two knives, that's it. Right? Same thing I'm gonna do over here. If then touching blocks, then or block. It's gonna be knife and knife two. Now let's skip it. Okay, I click on the flag, I click on start. Let's see. There you go. Yes, okay, the game did stop because I like the two knives touched.
Okay.
Okay. Can we do this on your screen as well?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen.
The code was on which code was the knife? It was for the knife.
All the knives.
All the knives? Oh, okay. So knife 2. It's there, right? Right under the thing, right? Or
Just before the last forever. That's where you have to place it.
oh,
Because think about it, now right now it's just this. What did you do? You messed up the code. Yeah, undo it. More. Oh, okay, redo it. Right? You need to place it right before the last forever. Yes.
let's see if this works. Okay, it worked. It worked.
Okay, that's good. Let's go forward. If we get the apple, I think that's when it needs to go to the next level. Yeah, your screen. That code is pretty easy though. I want you to try it by yourself. Okay. Just that if you are like starting this game, okay, we are on level 1. And if you're able to get the apple like that, like the apple stops, of course, but then I want you to make it, okay, we will have to do it together. It's all right. So we have already done this code wherein we are saying, if you are touching the apple, I think we have done it here.
But is it
Huh.
like, because you said that it's simple, but I thought that it wasn't simple because you have to do like, instead of just saying, oh, if the knife is touching the apple, then do like that. It won't work because when the knife is spinning around, it touches the apple every time, which makes the level higher and higher and higher. So
What do you,
what
what do
I
you
mean
mean?
is
I
like
don't get it.
like look, we could
Hmm.
simply say that
Hmm.
if the knife is touching the apple,
Hmm.
then make the level +1. Okay? But that won't work, right? Because you see that this log is spinning round and round, right? So every time it spins and the knife is on it, Then it's gonna spin and spin. Okay, so let's say that that's the log. That's the knife, and that's the apple. It's gonna spin, right? And then it's going to touch the apple, which will make the level go higher.
How?
But we don't want that.
No, no, see, I click on the flag. How, what you're saying is wrong actually. See, apple is
Yep.
moving on the, but if I do this, see, are they ever touching? They are not. Only if I
No.
accurately like place it through it like this, then it's working, no? Does it solve the doubt that you were saying? Because what you were saying is not correct.
Okay, but okay, never mind. I thought that the apple was not like moving. Otherwise, like if the apple was not moving, then it would be like it would go round and round and round and yeah.
But the apple is moving, right? It's moving for you as well on your project as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Okay. So the apple is moving, and if we just to answer your doubt again, if we put the knife on the word like this, see, it's never going to touch it because the apple is also moving, the knife is also moving. So they are all rotating, so it's never going to touch them unless you throw it right and it goes through the apple. Okay, make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Going forward, so we have done this code already wherein we are saying if you are touching the apple, you need to change level by 1. Okay. It's just that we have also done somewhere stop all code for this, seems like. Check it. Not stop all, but to stop, to make it stop rotating. Okay, there it is. That's fine. So what we're going to do is, if I click on the flag and if I click on start, and if the apple actually goes through it, if the knife actually goes through the apple, oh my God, I am so bad at this game. Let me try it again. Okay, yeah. So when this happens and the level just turns to 2, like the next level, I want to do what? Okay, I want it to first of all stop this code. We don't want to stop the code. Okay, let's do this. So if the level is 1, then it's rotating by, you know, 4 degrees. But if the level is 2, I want everything to reset. Okay, so every time, like let me remove this for a second. Every time you're changing the level, you're increasing it, you want to broadcast a message that next level, okay, or reset the level, something like that. So I'm going to broadcast it here, and I'm going to broadcast it here that the next level has been initiated, and we need to do that, and over here as well. Okay, so whenever it increases by 1, next level is initiated, and whenever I receive next level, I need to do something. I need to first of all set lives all back to 1, all back to 3. And I also need to do over here that when I receive next level, they all need to start go to, I need to start, broadcast game begins maybe. Yes, I need to do that. Yeah, okay, let's give it a try. I click on start, and if I get the apple correctly, yeah, see, the next level is started. But we must have done this code somewhere. We are saying when I receive like set level to 1, we need to fix that. Yes, I need to do it here under the flag. Okay, so if I get it right, level is 1. If I get it right, the level will be changed to 2. Yeah. So lives are 3, everything is back, and I can throw the knives again. Can you do this on your screen?
Yeah.
What did I do? In here, you already had this code. You just need to broadcast next level in here, all the 3 knives. And in only one of the knives, or you can do it in the target maybe. I can copy it, and actually you can do it in the target that when you receive game begins, it's gonna next level, it's gonna broadcast game begins. So like the game begins again. And also set level to 1 over here under the flag, not over here. Okay, let's test it out.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm just gonna make a new broadcast, which is new message. And next level. And then we're going to do. Why is it not there? Okay. Did we change the code from the remaining to the target?
No,
No? Okay.
just
Oh, wait. So, I wasn't supposed to do that? The
no,
knives?
this is fine. This is correct. Yeah, these are correct. Just
Okay.
go to the target and just say whenever you receive game, like next level, need to broadcast game begins. Yes. Also set level to 1, it says under game begins, put it under the flag.
Okay.
No, it already is there. Set level to 1. You want to place it under the flag. Try to get the apple.
I got the apple.
Yeah, so that's good. Levels are increasing, everything is resetting. The lives are back to 3. Yeah, we're just gonna fix up the apple for the next level. Not fix up, but set up the apple for the next level. I'll stop sharing.
I'm on level 20.
It's okay. I'll share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Hold on, wait. Okay, yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. Going forward from here, what we're gonna do is, so whenever the level increases, so if level is 1, we are going with the speed. But if the level increases and it just goes to 2, then we might want to increase the speed a little. Okay, so maybe we'll put it to 5. So let's see. But just make sure that every time, because you see, if I go to target is going with 11 speed. It needs to go with 4 speed. It needs to be the same as Apple. All right. So that means we need to do the code in here as well, wherein if the level is equal to 1, then it needs to turn with 4 degrees. If the level is equal to 2, it needs to turn with 5 degrees. All right. Let's see. It did increase. I'm going to increase it even more, maybe to 7. That means 7 over here as well. Can we do this on your screen? Okay. Okay, let's play some knife it games to see what can be done in the further level. So we have created 2 levels. I'll stop sharing your screen. Is my screen visible? So we have done 2 levels wherein we are, like one of the level is slower, one of the level is faster. But then if we just keep on increasing the speed every time the level increases, it's gonna be too boring. Okay, so let's say knife hit. Um, let's see. Okay, I click on play. So that's this first level, and we have also created this first level. And I can just, if I put, okay, through it, then it is cleared. Okay, I need to put all of them. Okay, seems like I need to put all of them. Okay, in the stage 2, what they have done, like in the level 2, again, you have these many knives and you have to hit them all, and you don't have to hit any of the knives, including the ones which is already there. So let's see. Okay, I need to place just one more to clear the level. Okay, done. Right? Same thing over here. Oh, and if any of the knives touch, and then the game restarts.
Wait, I want to see that game. Hold on.
Should I give you the link in the chat box, or you can search it up on the internet?
Yeah. I found it. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I did.
So that's what we need to do, okay? So we need to make sure, and the more apples we get, the more score we'll have. And also it's reducing, not reducing,
Okay, maybe the
it's
game that I found isn't exactly the same, but it's the same. It's kind of the same.
okay.
I'll show you what I found.
Show me.
Okay, just gonna mute the site.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, it is the same game.
oh, it is.
Yeah. We need to place all the knives without any knife touching each other. Yeah. And if you get the apple, then your score will increase. Right? And if any of the apple touch, then the game is over and you have to start all over again.
The apple. I got 2 apples. What? How do I keep on losing?
Because the knives are touching each other. Like no two knives should touch. Right?
This game be strictly banned for people with anger issues. They would lose it.
Yeah.
Okay, I got past the level. At least I have 5 apples.
Oh, that was really impressive. Like so many knives all around the apple, and you still got the apple.
It's like addicting.
Okay, I'll share my screen. Let me give you something as homework. Okay, I want this game to be built in the class itself, so you don't have to do anything in the game. So I'll give you a separate homework. I want you to do some like drawing, and by drawing I mean I want you to create some Christmas lights, and then I'll look at my stuff first.
Christmas lights? What?
Yeah, I know it's not the season for Christmas, but let me show you if I have the project.
Why do we need Christmas lights when it's like spring? I mean, for me, it's spring.
For everyone, it's no, yeah, because I want you to work on this one right here as homework. So yeah, You see that? Like how they are changing colors?
Wait, I have to do like all of it?
Yeah. Okay. Let me explain this to you though. Okay. So what I did, I just, created this sprite. All right. And this sprite just says, it's very simple. Like you need to create this by yourself. So just use this brush, create a line like this, and just create circles over here, alternating colors. Like one is red, then green, red, green, like that. Okay. And you can have more of these. So like if you have created one, just select it, copy it, paste it, and like have one right here, rotate it like this, right? And again, paste it. So have one like this right here.
Looks like a Z.
Yeah. Okay, that doesn't look cool, but you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can decorate it however you want to. You don't really have to make a Z like I did, but then just decorate it however you want to. I'm just telling you that you need to create it by yourself, all right? You won't find it in Scratch. Okay? And then you click on the flag and it just, does that pattern. Like, should I show you? Like, I should. Let me explain you the code as well. You're just gonna use the color effect and you're gonna just keep on changing that. At one point, the color effect is 50, at another point, it's 0. 50, 0, 50, 0, 50, 0, that's it. It's there in looks. You go over here, set color effect, that's it. 0 and 50. I want you to check this out.
Okay. Where?
You can do different patterns as well. Like right now, it's just, changing one color, but then you have you seen these Christmas lights wherein they change pattern? Like they're just not glowing, but then they are,
Yeah, actually, I have. I have.
right, yeah.
I see them every year in Christmas.
Yeah, right. So you can do any pattern. Like this is the simplest one. You can try the simplest one, but if you are feeling crazy, you can try different ones as well. Yes. Click on the flag and see.
I need a Sprite one.
No, you don't. You don't. That was just another effect that you can try, but that's not the part of the home.
I only have to do the Christmas light.
Yes, make working Christmas lights.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So there are going to be two parts. First, you would have to draw it by yourself. So that's going to be the fun part. And then you would have to do the code for it. So that's going to be the fun part as well here. Any questions with this?
No.
No. When did I start teaching you? Like, did I taught you around Christmas? I don't think so, no?
Uh,
If I would have, I must have given you this project. I have been teaching you. Okay, I was teaching you around Christmas as well.
you were teaching me like from the start of the year, no?
Yeah, that's true. Okay, any questions with this homework? You don't have to work on knife it like from my end. Like if you want to try some things, of course you can. But then from my end only, this is your homework.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, I'll see you next time then. Bye.
You've learned something new now. So now it's the time to create it by yourself. Like, subscribe, and keep creating with Coding Zen. See you in the next one.